I'm here now at the Fabulous Fords Forever show in Southern California to check out their 25th annual show. There's a lot of Fords, cars, trucks, Broncos, everything here except for this one. What's up with that? The Fabulous Fords Forever Car Show is an annual event that takes place at the Knott's Berry Farm theme park in Buena Vista, California. This year, the 25th annual event was held on April 25th, 2010. Over 2,000 Ford vehicles were detailed to show quality, ranging from 1903 to 2010, and they're judged in 50 different classes for every Ford, car, truck, and hot rod out there. Check out the Motors TV website to watch all of your favorite episodes and more, and talk with other viewers online in our popular forums area. Catch the latest news and information surrounding the show, as well as the entire automotive industry. Take Motors with you on the road with our free app available for the iPhone and iPod Touch, and win free parts by entering in our monthly giveaway. It's all right here at www.motors.tv.